Problem, it says that how a voltmeter is connected and ammeter is connected in a circuit and why. So I have written the statements here. Voltmeter is connected, it is used for measuring potential difference as the voltage is term, and it is connected in parallel to the circuit. See how. Let's talk about this circuit. Here is a bulb, it is connected to a battery. Okay, battery is a combination of more than two cells, and this is a switch, it is in a closed position, so circuit current is flowing. This is the arrow telling you about the current, and this one is a meter. You can see this is a voltmeter. So this is a circuit. Okay, I am connecting voltmeter here. It is in parallel, means there are two joints. From this joint two lines are going, one this side, other this side, means both of them are in parallel. But here you see there is no other two lines, only single line, so it is in series. The reason is the wire of a voltmeter is of high resistance, so when the joint in parallel, it draws less current. See, the voltmeter has a high resistive circuit inside this, so the current drawn by this, very less amount of current goes through this, most of current goes through this, so it makes arrangement for this. In case of ammeter, the situation is reversed. The resistance of ammeter is very less, so what will happen? The current will come and will pass through the circuit. Ammeter will take very less amount of current, so it will be having positive effect for us. So ammeter is joined in series. Now let me convert the situation. By mistake, suppose you join ammeter here, voltmeter here. So what will happen? As ammeter is drawing less current, so the current will be going through ammeter very much compared to this. So this will be a wrong interpretation of it. Same way, if you are joining a voltmeter here, we know voltmeter have a high resistance, so it will not allow the current to pass through this. Instead, it will be getting heated. So it is the reason why ammeter is connected in series and voltmeter is connected in